Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 5 versus the Poco X3. And guys, the Poco X3 gave you a Snapdragon 732G chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the new Oppo Reno 5 gave you a Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8GB of RAM as well. On the back, we get a quad cameras on both these two devices. We have a 64 megapixel main camera on both these two devices. So I am really excited to see that how is the Snapdragon 732G is stack up against the Snapdragon 720G inside the Oppo Reno 5. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Okay guys, both phones is completely off. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo it is here, more faster on the Reno 5 as compared to the Poco X3. And guys, in the Poco X3 it is running on Android 10 and also we have a MIUI version 12, while the Oppo Reno 5 it is running on Android 11 with a Color OS version 11 as well. So now let's see that how much a difference between these two devices. And you can see, and the Poco X3 it is more faster when it comes to booting up, while the Reno 5 now it is also done, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. And guys, you can see that and both phones give you a very similar display, but we have a full HD AMOLED display on the Reno 5 with a 90Hz refresh rate display, which is amazing, while the Poco X3 give you a full HD IPS LCD display, but we have a more smoother 120Hz refresh rate display on the Poco X3. And also both phones give you a punch hole which is on the center on the X3 as compared to on the left hand side on the Reno 5. So guys, everything is closed up in the background and you can see no app is running in the background. And also, and the actual display quality it is much better on the Reno 5. Everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. So now let's start off with the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go, and that is little bit more faster on the Reno 5 if I'm not wrong as compared to the Poco X3. So next on the list is the settings, and that is again huge faster on the Reno 5 if I'm not wrong. Now let's see YouTube, and that is more faster on the Poco X3 as compared to the Oppo Reno 5. Now let's see the scrolling, and in this area you will see a real difference between these two devices. We have 120Hz as compared to 90Hz on the Reno 5. Now let's check out some games application, how much a difference between these two processors. Now let's see Candy Crush Saga. We have a Snapdragon 720G as compared to Snapdragon 732G, and you can see exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. And now let's see the Subway Surfer, next game application, launching at the same time, and looks like Poco X3. Yes, I believe, yes, it is a little bit more faster on the Poco X3. So now let's check out the pinout. That is exactly the same on both phones, and you can see both phones is perform about the same mostly in the game app during time as well. So that's really interesting as well. Now let's see the temper and 2 on both phones, and we have some issues on the Poco X3, and you can see that Reno 5 it is faster there, but you can see and Poco X3 is take a lot of time because we have some issues on the Poco X3, especially in this game application. But you can see that both phones is perform mostly about the same. So now let's check out some more application. We have Instagram, here we go, and that is more faster on the Reno 5 as compared to the Poco X3. Now let's check out Amazon shopping, and that is more faster on the Poco X3 if I'm not wrong as compared to the Reno 5, about half a second difference there. Now let's see the scrolling, feels really smooth on the Poco X3 because we have 120Hz, which makes a lot of difference again. Now let's see the Snapchat on both phones, exactly the same on both phones. Spotify faster on the Reno 5 at the end. Zedge, and that is exactly the same on both phones, I would say half a second difference there. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels more smoother on the Poco X3. Again we have 120Hz as compared to 60Hz. So now let's opening up the Twitter, faster on the Reno 5 if I'm not wrong, followed by the Poco X3. So last, I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can also see the viewfinder as well, faster on the Poco X3. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones, wikipedia.org, faster on the Reno 5, followed by the Poco X3. Now let's see the scrolling, and it feels more smoother on the Poco X3, and it seems like it is a 60Hz refresh rate display because this app it is not really optimized for the Reno 5 as of now. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you 8 GB of RAM. Phone dialer, refresh on the Poco. Let's see settings, that is refresh on the Poco X3. YouTube, refresh on the Poco again. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Subway Surfer, refresh again. Let's see Pinout. Let's see Temper and 2, refresh again. Instagram, Amazon Shopping, and it is again refresh on the Poco. Now let's see the Snapchat, Spotify, refresh on the Poco X3, and you can see, and guys, in the Poco X3 it is performed really bad in the RAM management edge. Refresh. Now let's check out the Twitter, and that is not refresh. Last, we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, I would say it is about the same on both phones. You can see that in game app during time both phones is perform about the same mostly, but I would say that in the RAM management area, Oppo Reno 5 it is performed much better than the Poco X3. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 5 versus the Poco X3. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.